Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Healthy. Today, we will be covering the top 9 nutritional supplements to help find relief from peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, causing a variety of uncomfortable symptoms such as pain, tingling, and numbness in the hands and feet. While there are a number of medical treatments available, many people seek natural and alternative options to help alleviate their symptoms. Nutritional supplements are one such option that has gained popularity in recent years. In this video, we will explore the top 9 supplements for peripheral neuropathy, as well as examine the potential benefits of each supplement and discuss how they may help reduce symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Number 1. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, is a naturally occurring antioxidant that is produced by the body and is also found in certain foods such as spinach, broccoli, and organ meats. It has been studied for its potential benefits in treating a variety of conditions, including peripheral neuropathy. One of the ways in which ALA may help reduce symptoms of peripheral neuropathy is by improving nerve function. ALA has been shown to protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which can contribute to the development of nerve damage and peripheral neuropathy. Additionally, ALA has been shown to potentially reduce inflammation in the body, which can also contribute to nerve damage. ALA may also be beneficial for people with diabetes, as it has been shown to improve blood sugar control. High blood sugar levels can contribute to the development of peripheral neuropathy, as well as other complications of diabetes. ALA may help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake in cells, which help reduce blood sugar levels and potentially prevent or alleviate symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Number 2. AcetylLCarnitine. AcetylLCarnitine, or ALC, is an amino acid that is naturally produced by the body and is involved in energy production. It is also found in certain foods such as red meat, fish, and dairy products. ALC has been studied for its potential benefits in treating a variety of conditions, including peripheral neuropathy. One of the ways in which ALC may help reduce symptoms of peripheral neuropathy is by improving nerve function. ALC has been shown to enhance the production of nerve growth factor, a protein that is important for the growth and survival of nerve cells. It may also help improve the function of mitochondria, the energy-producing structures within cells, which can help support nerve function. ALC may also help reduce pain associated with a peripheral neuropathy. Some studies have found that ALC can help reduce pain intensity and improve pain tolerance in people with peripheral neuropathy. It may work by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which can contribute to pain and nerve damage. Number 3. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including nerve function. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage and contribute to the development of peripheral neuropathy. Supplementation with vitamin B12 has been shown to potentially improve nerve function and reduce symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Vitamin B12 is involved in the synthesis of myelin, a protective coating around nerve fibers that helps facilitate nerve function. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to myelin damage and nerve dysfunction. Vitamin B12 supplementation has also been shown to potentially improve pain and other symptoms associated with peripheral neuropathy. A study published in the journal Neurology found that vitamin B12 supplementation helped improve pain scores in people with diabetic neuropathy. Vitamin B12 can be obtained from animal-based foods such as meat, fish, and dairy products, as well as from supplements. However, some people may have difficulty absorbing vitamin B12 from food or have a condition that requires higher levels of vitamin B12 supplementation. Number 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a critical role in maintaining bone health and immune function. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to various health problems, including the development of peripheral neuropathy. Vitamin D receptors have been found on nerves in the peripheral nervous system, indicating that vitamin D may play a role in nerve function. Several studies have suggested a potential link between vitamin D deficiency and the development of peripheral neuropathy, particularly in people with diabetes. Supplementation with vitamin D may help improve nerve function and reduce symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that vitamin D supplementation improved nerve function and reduced pain scores in people with diabetic peripheral neuropathy. Vitamin D can be obtained from sunlight exposure, food sources such as fatty fish and fortified dairy products, and supplements. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting vitamin D supplementation, as excess intake of vitamin D can be harmful. Vitamin D supplementation may also interact with certain medications, so it is important to discuss potential risks and benefits with a healthcare provider. Number 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that are essential for overall health. They are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and have been found to have a number of potential health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke, improving brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. Research has also suggested that omega-3 fatty acids may be beneficial for people with peripheral neuropathy. Inflammation has been linked to the development of nerve damage, and omega-3 fatty acids have been found to help reduce inflammation in the body. This may help to reduce nerves from damage and reduce symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. A study published in the Journal of Neurology found that supplementation with omega-3 fatty acids reduced symptoms of diabetic neuropathy in people with type 2 diabetes. Other studies have suggested that omega-3 fatty acids may also be helpful for people with other types of peripheral neuropathy, including chemotherapy-induced neuropathy. Omega-3 fatty acids can be obtained from dietary sources such as fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, as well as from supplements. Number 6. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including nerve and muscle function, heart rhythm, and blood pressure regulation. A deficiency in magnesium can contribute to nerve damage and increase the risk of peripheral neuropathy. Supplementation with magnesium may help reduce symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, including pain, numbness, and tingling sensations. Research has shown that magnesium supplementation may help improve nerve function and reduce pain in people with peripheral neuropathy. One study found that magnesium supplementation significantly improved nerve conduction velocity, reduced pain scores, and improved quality of life in people with diabetic peripheral neuropathy. Another study found that magnesium supplementation reduced pain and improved sensory and motor nerve function in people with chemotherapy-induced peripheral neuropathy. Magnesium can be found in various food sources, including leafy green vegetables, nuts, whole grains, and seafood. Number 7. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that is important for maintaining healthy nerve function. It has been found to have potential benefits for people with peripheral neuropathy, which is a condition characterized by damage to the nerves in the peripheral nervous system. Vitamin E has been shown to reduce pain and improve nerve function in some people with peripheral neuropathy. Studies have suggested that vitamin E may help to protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which is a type of cellular damage that can contribute to the development of peripheral neuropathy. Additionally, vitamin E may help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to nerve damage. Although vitamin E is found in many foods, including nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils, some people may not consume enough of these foods to meet their daily vitamin E requirements. In these cases, supplementation with vitamin E may be beneficial. However, it is important to talk to a healthcare provider before starting any new supplemental regimen, as high doses of vitamin E can have adverse effects and may interact with certain medications. Number 8. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 is a compound that naturally occurs in the body and is involved in the production of energy within cells. As an antioxidant, it helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. CoQ10 has also been found to have potential benefits for people with peripheral neuropathy. Some studies have suggested that CoQ10 supplementation may improve nerve function and reduce symptoms of peripheral neuropathy such as numbness, tingling, and pain. Additionally, CoQ10 may help improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes, which can contribute to the development of peripheral neuropathy. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of CoQ10 supplementation on peripheral neuropathy, it may be a beneficial supplement for some individuals. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, as high doses of CoQ10 may interact with certain medications and have potential side effects. Number 9. Gammalinolenic acid. Gammalinolenic acid, or GLA, is an essential omega-6 fatty acid that the body needs for optimal health. It is converted into important anti-inflammatory compounds in the body, which can help reduce inflammation and pain associated with peripheral neuropathy. GLA is found in high concentrations in certain plant-based oils, including evening primrose oil and borage oil. Several studies have shown that GLA supplementation may be helpful for reducing symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, including pain and numbness. A 2013 study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that supplementation with GLA for 6 months improved nerve function and reduced symptoms in people with diabetic peripheral neuropathy. Another study published in the Journal of Neurological Sciences in 2009 found that a combination of GLA and alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, was effective in reducing pain and improving nerve function in people with diabetic neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy can be a debilitating condition that affects many people. While there is no cure for peripheral neuropathy, there are a variety of nutritional supplements that may help improve nerve function and reduce symptoms. Alpha-lipoic acid, AcetylLCarnitine, vitamin B12, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, vitamin E, and coenzyme Q10 are among the supplements that have been found to have potential benefits for people with peripheral neuropathy. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen to ensure safety and effectiveness. Additionally, supplements should not replace other treatments and lifestyle modifications recommended by a healthcare provider for managing peripheral neuropathy.